Hey guys, it's Pauline. I have another kit from Everyday Explorers, and I thought we could look at it together. This is already looking kind of cute. Reminding me of mail. Alright, so this is the cut apart that you can use. And let's see, this is all what's in it. I do like these little envelopes that they put these in. And I'm going to take this out briefly because usually, yeah, you have little cut aparts here that you can use. For scrapbooking or for journaling, whatever. Alright. Okay, so here is the stamp set. This is always the star of the show for me. I think this is really cute. I like it a lot. Use that, I know. Alright, and then we got some washi tape samples. That's cute. Alright, and then, let's see, let's take a look at the stickers. Alright, so I do like clear stickers a lot, because you can see what's behind them. Very nice. And then, let's see, so these are not clear stickers, but these are neat. And this is another clear sticker. I am hoping that I had this in frame. I wasn't looking. So let's look back at that. Okay. And these sentiment stickers are really helpful. And then we have alphas. And then more stickers. Neat. I do like this color pattern. So this is a nice little kit. I complain about it every time, but I still feel cheated. I really came accustomed to the little notebooks that she would make. But anyway, I guess I can make my own notebooks. Well, I have enough of the Archer and Olive books anyway. But that is what I had to share today, guys. And you can tell me what you think. Are you guys using these kits? I would love to know. All right, I will talk to y'all later. Bye.